Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get 30 days free trial in TradingView. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin with, open up your favorite web browser and head over to TradingView.com. Once you're there, look for the option to get started or sign up. When you locate it, click on it and you'll be taken to the registration page where you have to sign into your account. With your account created and verified, on the home page, you will see an option Upgrade Now 30-Day Free Trial. Simply click on that, and TradingView will take you to the subscription plans page. TradingView offers different tiers: Pro, Pro Plus, Premium, and more, each tailored for different levels of trading experience. Once you've chosen, click the option to start the 30-day free trial. To activate your trial, first you have to enter your personal information, like your full name and address. Once done, on the next page, you'll need to provide your credit card or PayPal details. Don't worry, TradingView typically performs only a small temporary authorization charge of about $1 to verify your payment method. Once you've entered your payment details and confirmed, your free trial will be activated. And that's it. So that is how you can get 30 days free trial in TradingView. So that's all for this video. Thanks.